welcome you all. In the last session, we have discussed some examples which are very important for exams. That is, if A and B are symmetric matrices of the same order, then show that AB is symmetric if and only AB is equal to BA. After that, the skew symmetric matrices, then if A and B are symmetric matrices of the same order, then A dash B or AB, which is nothing but skew symmetric matrices, get more. I think if the statement is nothing but A and B are symmetric matrices, prove that AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix and so over. After that, one example we have proved under the section of that is mathematical induction we proved. After that, we move towards another example which we will prove with the help of mathematical induction. Example. If A is equal to 3, 1, minus 4, minus 1, minus 4, minus 1, then through that, A to the power n is equal to 1 plus 2n minus 4n n 1 minus 2n, where n is any positive integer, that is n belongs to n. Correct? What they are given? They are given of the matrices, that is A3 minus 4 minus 1 minus 1. These are the entries of the given matrix, that is capital A. And they are given A to the power n of the matrix. We have to prove with the help of mathematical induction. They are given where n is any positive integer. It is in the sense that n belongs to natural number. Correct? That is, we have to prove with the help of mathematical induction. Prove. We shall prove the above result. We shall prove the above result by mathematical induction. Mathematical induction. P of n is equal to, or consider P of n, which is equal to A to the power n, which is nothing but 1 plus 2n minus 4n n 1 minus 2n. Consider P of n is nothing but A to the power n is equal to 1 plus 2n minus 4n divided by, 4 minus 4n n 1 minus 2n. Now P of n, put n is equal to 1, then P of 1 is nothing but A to the power 1, which is nothing but 1 plus 2 into 1, correct? 1 plus 2 into 1, after that 1 minus 4 into 1, after that 1 minus 2 into 1. Which is equals to 1 plus 2, after that 1 minus 4, 1 minus 2, which is nothing but 3 minus 4, 1 minus 1. 3 minus 4, 1 minus 1. Then which implies A to the power 1 is nothing but 3 minus 4, 1 minus 1, which is nothing but what? Which is nothing but A. Which is nothing but A, correct? 3, 1, minus 4, minus 1, which is nothing but A. Therefore, P of 1 is true. P of 1 is true. Next, we shall take the result is true with the help of mathematical induction. The second case will be assume that, correct? Assume that the result is true. Assume that the result is true for n is equal to k for all k belongs to natural number. assume that the result is true for all the for n is equal to k, k belongs to natural number. That is p of k, which is nothing but a to the power k, which is equal to 1 plus 2k, 1 plus 2k minus 4k, k 1 minus 2k. Correct? For all k belongs to natural number. For all k belongs to natural number. Next, now we will prove the result. Now we will prove the result. P of k plus 1, that is we will prove the result P of k plus 1. P of k plus 1, which is nothing but a to the power k plus 1. We will prove the result P of k plus 1, a to the power k into a. Correct? In the last class we discussed the theory of indices says that you may, if the bases are same, which are two bases a, then split the powers, which is equals to, what is the value of a to the power k? A to the power k, which is nothing but we have taken that 1 plus 2k, after that minus 4k, after that k 1 minus 2k, after that into value of a. A is nothing but, what is the value of a? 3 minus 4, 1 minus 1. 3 minus 4, 1 minus 1. Next. Now, a to the power k plus 1, a to the power k plus 1 is equal to, you should multiply the value of this 3, right? 3 into 1 plus 2k, 3 into 1 plus 2k into 3 minus 4k, multiplication of matrices. 1 plus 3k into 2 or minus 2k into minus 4k, minus 4 into this into this, minus 4 into 1 plus 2k, after that minus of minus, that is 4k, minus of minus 4k plus 4k, k into 3, that is 3k, k into 3k plus 1 into 1 minus 2k, 1 minus 2k, minus 4k, minus 1 into 1 minus 2k. These are some multiplication of matrices, correct? The values are nothing but multiplication of matrices. It is equals to, here you write it as 3 into 2, that is 6k, 3 into 6, minus 4k, 3k plus 1 minus 2k, minus 4, minus 8k, plus 4k, after that minus 4k, minus 1, minus of minus plus 2k, correct? Minus 1, you are right, minus 1, minus of minus plus 2k, which is equals to 3 plus 2k, are you followed or not? Here 6 minus 2 that is 2. After that minus 4k, after that 3k plus k, what is the value? 3k minus k, that is k plus 1 as it is, correct? 3k minus 2k becomes k plus 1. Here there will be minus 1 minus 2k, minus 1 minus 2k. Then again we must convert that form into the k plus 1 format. That is, values are nothing but k plus 1 format. These are the values. One of the values is k plus 1 directly, but this value is also we converted it into k plus 1 format. They are also k plus 1 format. This also k plus 1 format, because mathematical induction says that the values, upcoming values, should be in the format of k plus 1. You studied in the lower classes, that is first year syllabus. Therefore, Rishabh should be like that. Correct? 3 plus 2k. How to write 3? This 3 can be written in the form of 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 2k, 1 plus 2 plus 2k, minus 4 you immediately take outside, 1 plus k, correct? Minus 4, yes, minus 4, minus 4 into k, minus 4k, after that k plus 1, 1 minus 2 into k plus 1. This I will tell minus of minus 2k, which is nothing but 1 minus 2 into k plus 1, right? Because 1 minus 2k minus 2, correct? Which is nothing but minus 2 minus 1, minus 1 minus 2. Therefore, this is also correct, this is also correct, both are correct. LHS, this value we are converted it into format of 1 minus 2 into k plus 1. This value is same as this value. Why? Because we have to change the entries in the k plus 1 format. Therefore, it is taken as a modification. Therefore, correct? You write it as correct, which is nothing but 1 plus 2 into k plus 1. 2 into k, 2k plus 2. After that k plus 1. After that minus 4 into k plus 1. After that 1 minus 2 into k plus 1. Correct? Which is a to the power k plus 1. Therefore, p of k plus 1 is true. P of k plus 1 is true. Hence by mathematical induction, the result is true. The result is true for all n belongs to natural number. Correct? Dear students, we are going to prove the result with the help of mathematical induction. Mathematical induction carries three important steps. One step is P of 1 is true. After that, another step is P of k is true or P of m is true. After that, third step is P of k plus 1 is true or P of m plus 1 is true. If all the categories get valid, then we say that the problem or thing is taken as mathematical induction. Correct? In the help of mathematical induction, we prove two results. After that, we move towards another small miscellaneous problem that we have to discuss today. That is nothing but correct. I will take one problem, that is example. Show that the matrix B dash AB is symmetric or skew symmetric according as capital A is symmetric or skew symmetric. According A as symmetric or skew symmetric. Solution. What they are given, just to read the statement once or twice. The statement is coming in the exam. Why? Because show that the matrix B dash AB is symmetric. We have to show this is symmetric or skew symmetric. According as A is symmetric or skew symmetric means that this result B dash AB is dependent on A. That is either A is symmetric we have to prove and A is skew symmetric we have to prove the result. Correct? Therefore, this B dash AB symmetric completely depends upon the matrix that is A is symmetric or skew symmetric, depends upon the way. We are going to take the cases once that is symmetric. B dash AB is symmetric, we have to show. If A is skew symmetric, then we have to show B dash AB is skew symmetric. Correct? That is the things we have to discuss. First case, when A is symmetric. When A is symmetric, then by the definition, A dash is equal to A. When A is symmetric, then by the definition, A dash is equal to A. Correct? Now consider B dash AB dash. Correct? B dash AB dash. You take it as a matrix A. Correct? A. You consider this matrix AB. How to write AB dash according to the property? According to the property, AB whole dash is nothing but B dash A dash. What we have taken? Here you take it as AB as B. Correct? AB as B. And this B dash, this B dash you take it as A. Correct? According to the proof, or we are mentioned that show that when it is B dash AB symmetric, we just take the thing that AB is nothing but we are going to take B. Correct? Club AB matrix is B and B dash is nothing but A. Correct? After that, which is nothing but, then what happens? B dash AB dash is nothing but AB whole dash into B dash whole dash. Are you agree? AB whole dash is nothing but B dash A dash. AB whole dash is nothing but B dash A dash, which is nothing but, why? Because, correct? I will write down AB whole dash is nothing but B dash A dash, where A is equal to B dash, AB is equal to, B is equal to AB, correct? B is equal to AB, which implies B dash AB whole dash, B dash AB whole dash is nothing but, this AB dash is nothing but B dash A dash. Are you agree? This AB whole dash is nothing but B dash A dash. B dash A dash. After that, B dash into B. B dash whole dash is nothing but B. Correct? Because AB whole dash is nothing but B dash A dash. Correct? And B dash whole dash is nothing but B. B dash whole dash is nothing but B, which is nothing but, correct, B dash. What is A dash? This A dash is nothing but what? That A dash is nothing but, which is symmetric by definition of symmetricity. A dash is equal to A. A dash is equal to A, which is B, which is nothing but B dash AB, which implies B dash AB whole dash. B dash AB whole dash is nothing but B dash AB. What it indicates? B dash AB whole dash is nothing but B dash AB. Therefore, correct? Therefore, B dash AB is symmetric. Correct? B dash is symmetric. Why? Because B dash AB is symmetric. Because we are using when A is symmetric. Correct? When A is symmetric, we are obtaining the result that B dash AB is symmetric. Next. Correct? Next case is suppose when A dash is coming, or suppose when A is skew symmetric. When A is skew symmetric, correct? When A is skew symmetric, because they are mentioned that whether A is symmetric, what is the result? What is A is skew symmetric, what is the result? A is skew symmetric, then by the definition, correct? A dash is equal to minus A. Then A dash is equal to minus A. Correct? Now we consider B dash AB whole dash. Now, consider B dash AB whole dash is nothing but AB whole dash into B dash whole dash. According to the same result, you take it as B and you take it as A. AB whole dash is nothing but B dash into A dash. What is the result? AB dash, B dash, A dash. AB dash is nothing but we have the property, fourth property of transposons, B dash, B dash. What is B dash into B dash? That result is nothing but B, same result. What is the value of B dash? What is the value of this A dash? A dash is nothing but minus A. Why because minus A? Because we have taken that A is skew symmetric. By definition, A dash is equal to minus A into B, which implies minus B dash AB, which implies B dash AB whole dash. B dash AB whole dash is nothing but B dash AB whole dash. B dash AB whole dash is nothing but minus B dash AB. What it means here? B dash AB whole dash is B dash AB. Here B dash AB whole dash is minus B dash AB. What it indicates? Therefore, B dash AB is skew symmetric. B dash AB is skew symmetric matrix. Correct? Skew symmetric matrix. This is the one of the theorem, or either you take it as theorem or it is the problem. Correct? This is the problem considered or miscellaneous. These values are miscellaneous examples. After that, I will take one of the last concept that completes your whole syllabus, that is matrices topic over. Correct? Which is nothing but invertible matrices. That is nothing but invertible matrices. Invertible matrices. Invertible matrices. If capital A is a square matrix of order M, and if there exists another square matrix B of the same order M, such that AB which is equal to BA which is equal to I, then capital B is called the inverse matrix of A, and it is denoted by A inverse. In that case, A is said to be invertible. Correct? A is said to be invertible. Dear students, one of the important things, invertible matrices, or when the matrix having the inverse. Correct? Inverse, you know, if you have number 2, what is the inverse of 2? Inverse of 2 is nothing but 1 by 2. Correct? That is 2. Then the inverse of 2, of 2 is 2 inverse. Correct? Inverse can be denoted in the fashion of this. Correct? Power is nothing but minus 1. Power is nothing but minus 1. That is nothing but 2 to the power minus 1, which is nothing but 1 by 2. What is the inverse? Inverse, if you have the number 2, having the inverse 2 to the power minus 1. Inverse is nothing but 2 to the power minus 1. What is 2 to the power minus 1? Is nothing but 1 by 2. And note what is the meaning? That is 2 into 1 by 2. Are you agree? 2 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 2, which is equal to 1. Answer is 1. What is the inverse? Inverse is the number. If you have the number 2, then there exists another number that is 2 inverse. What is 2 inverse? 1 by 2 in case of number. Matrices, there is different. In case of matrices, the inverse should be different. Why what type of inverse? Which is different. But if the concept of inverse is just to look at the number that is 2, the inverse of 2 is 2 to the power minus 1. That 2 to the power minus 1 can be written in the form 1 by 2. Correct? In Kannada we call Viloma. Correct? 2 to the power minus 1 is nothing 1 by 2. What is the meaning of that inverse? 2 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 2, which is nothing but 1. What is the meaning? 2 to get close, answer should be 1. That is here there will be 1. But in case of matrices, there will be I. Correct? What is the? In case of number, there will be a number one number, that is number 1. But in case of matrices, number 1 will be nothing but identity matrices of the taken order. If there is a order is 2, if the matrix of A is a order 2, then B should 2 order. Then I should be 2 cross 2. If A is square matrix of order 3, then B should be 3, I should be 3. Because AB is equal to B, A is equal to I. Here, in case of number 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1, which is nothing but then what we call this 1 by 2 is the inverse of 2. 1 by 2 is the inverse of 2 or 2 is the inverse of 1 by 2. Correct? Listen here. 1 by 2 is the inverse of 2 or 2 is the inverse of 1 by 2. But outcome result should be 1. Their product and their individual product which are in the commutative property, that is AB. If you take AB, BA is equal to 1. It looks like AB, BA, which is equal to I. Therefore, commutative property holds AB is equal to BA, and which is nothing but identity in case of matrices. But in case of numbers, there will be 1. You know in the lower classes, correct? Here also, what is the definition? Tells us that definition is nothing but invertible matrices definition. Define invertible matrices. It carries 1 mark question. Define invertible matrices and give one example. That is 2 marks question. If A is a matrix, just you observe, A is a matrix, A is a square matrix. If A is a square matrix of order M, and if there exists another square matrix B of the same order M, correct? Order should be same, that is M, such that AB is equal to BA is equal to I, then B is called the inverse matrix of A and it is denoted by A inverse. What is the B? Then B is called inverse matrix of A and it is denoted by A inverse. What is the place? That is correct. A is invertible means that is A into A inverse, correct? Which is nothing but A inverse into A, which is equal to I. It looks like what? What is the meaning? AB is equal to BA is equal to I means A into A inverse. What is the place of B? B is nothing but A inverse. What is the place of A? A inverse. What is the place of B? Here B, which is equal to identity. Correct? AB is equal to B is equal to I. Then B is called the inverse matrix of capital A and it is denoted by A inverse. In that case, A is said to be invertible. Then we are going to take some examples. Correct? Examples we will take. Example. Let A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 2. B is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2. Be two matrices.
Then AB is equal to, listen here, observe here, AB, which is nothing but 2 1 3 2, one of the matrix, correct, which is not a zero matrix. It is of the definite order, that is square order, correct. 2 3, and after that 2 minus 1 minus 3 2, which is nothing but multiplication. 2 into 2, that is 4. 2 into 2, that is 4. 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. 2 into minus 3, that is minus 6. 3 into 2, that is nothing but plus 6. Multiplication, you are expert, correct? 2 into 1 is, that is 2. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. After that, 2 into 2, that is nothing but 4. Correct? These are some matrices. After that, their value, which is nothing but what? 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Minus 4 minus 3 plus 4, which is nothing but 1. Which is AB. Immediately we have to find out the value of BA, because our definition says AB is equal to BA is equal to I, where A and B are square matrices of the same order. That's why BA is equal to value of B. What is the value of B? B is minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 2. After that, the value of A is nothing but 2 3 1 and 2. Their multiplication, which is nothing but 2 into 2, that is 4, minus 3, that is minus 3, 2 into 3, that is 6, minus 6. After that, 1 into 2, that is minus 2, 2, minus 1 into 3, minus 3, plus 4, which is equals to 1 0 0 1. Correct? Therefore, which is B. Therefore, AB is equal to BA is equal to, what is the value? 1 0 0 1, which implies AB, which is equal to BA, which is equal to I. What we call AB is equal to BA is equal to I. Thus, last we have to write the conclusion that Thus, B is the inverse of A, that is B is equal to A inverse. Correct? Thus, what is the value of B? B is nothing but A inverse. Correct? While observing, it looks like B. What is B? B is nothing but A inverse. Thus, B is the inverse of B, that is B is equal to A inverse. And A is inverse of B. Here A is inverse of B, that is A is equal to B inverse. Correct? A is equal to B inverse. Therefore, totally or that is A into A inverse into A, which is equal to I. Correct? This is the things which are comes under invertible matrices definitions. B is the inverse of A. B is the inverse of A. How you can take B? B is equal to A inverse. After that, and A is the inverse of B. Just observe, A is the inverse of B. That is A is equal to B inverse. Totally A into A inverse. Put the value of B. B is equal to A inverse here. A into A inverse. What is the value of B? B is nothing but A inverse. What is the value of A? A is nothing but B. A is nothing but B inverse. Correct? First you think that B is the inverse of A. B is equal to A inverse. A into A inverse is I. Correct? After that, A inverse into A is equal to I. Totally, the result should be last upcoming order should be taken order, square matrices are taken order, and the final answer should be AB is equal to BA is equal to I. It looks like A into A inverse is equal to A inverse into A is equal to I. Then we say that the matrices are having inverses. Correct? After that, one thing is that one of the theorem, uniqueness of inverse, that theorem which are deleted in the session of matrices. Okay, this completes your matrices topic. In the next class, we will see another topic, very interesting topic, that is determinants
part or one of the important topic in related with the upcoming topic, that is matrices. Thank you.